So welcome to Kampot Seafood and Pepper cooking class. My name is Sophia. So I will show you how to make a fried squid and green pepper. So for vegetable, we have the bell pepper, so yellow, green, and red, and onion, spring onion, and green pepper, and squid. So now we start cut the bell pepper like this size. And the onion just cut like this. For spring onion, cut like this size. Yes, finished. Now we start the cooking. Let's all vegetable oils. One teaspoon of garlic. Keep stirring. Okay, now we put the squid in. A little water. And after we start, put the vegetable in. And green pepper. Now we start with the oyster sauce. 1 spoon oyster sauce. Palm sugar. Half spoon. Half spoon of fish sauce. 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. And half teaspoon of black pepper, Kampot pepper. And keep stirring. Okay, and the last one we put the spring onion. Now it's well done. Apple.